हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी एसएल। अभी हम देखेंगे प्रतिभा वर्मा। उनका जो है आंसर शीट हम अभी देखेंगे। चलिए देखते हैं। पहला जो क्वेश्चन था, हाईलाइटिंग द इशू फेस्ड इन बीओटी एंड ईपीसी मॉडल्स ऑफ द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सप्लेन हाउ एचएएम कैन एड्रेस दिस। ये जो था 10 मार्क का था एंड 150 वर्ड्स में था। आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, इन्होंने पूरा डिटेल्स में लिखा है यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे जो है 1 2 3 ओके। जैसे कि क्या बॉल कॉपरेट जो प्रोग्राम है, इंजीनियरिंग प्रोक्योरमेंट जो कि प्रोग्राम है, हाइब्रिड एन्युटी मॉडल है। ये सब के बारे में उन्होंने लिखा है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन में देखेंगे तो मेजर द extent of the formal sector and formal employment is yet an unsettled matter in our economy. Comment. कोई भी आंसर आप लिख रहे हो वहां पे क्या जो है डायग्राम बहुत जरूरी है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे उन्होंने मेंशन किया है। एंड क्या क्या इशू है, व्हाट आर द इशू, इसके बारे में भी उन्होंने मेंशन किया है। Third number question, the investment rate in India has gradually declined after a holistic high in the mid 2000s. Examine the reasons behind this trend and discuss the steps required to review, ठीक है, revive the investment for a sustained growth. Fourth question आ गया, strengthening the policy and institutional ecosystem. Supporting the inclusive growth need to be a top policy priority to thrive in the fourth industrial revolution. Discuss. यहाँ पे सेम है, यहाँ पे जो है डायग्राम इन्होंने दिखाया। Fifth question, explain the role of human capital in the economic development of a country. Highlight the challenges and opportunity related to the human capital formation in the India. The role of human capital. क्या क्या चैलेंजेस है यहाँ पे भी मेंशन किया है। Then sixth question, in the context of major challenges that have the restricted industrial growth, there is a need for a new industrial policy to enable the industry to fulfill its role as the engine of the growth and shoulder the responsibility of adding more value jobs. Comment it. क्या क्या challenges फेस कर रहे हैं इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ में? 7 number question, discuss the reforms that contributed in improving India's ranking in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index. Identify the challenges that still remain in the overall environment of the doing business. Suggest some concert steps that India can take the further improve its performance on the index. Eight number question, special purpose vehicles are fast becoming an important avenue for challenging correction, that is the channelizing funds for the projects in the infrastructure sector. Explain the concept of a SPV. Highlight some of the benefit and risk associated with them. So यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने जो है मेंशन किया है चार्ट. Nine number questions, providing the social security especially to those working in the unorganized sector is an important requirement to achieve the goal of the inclusive growth, and discuss. 10 number questions, NBFCs can play a critical role in the strengthening our SME ecosystem and contributing to the economic development. Comment. Also discuss the need to build a regulatory framework to address the challenges that NBFCs face. Eleven number questions, in the light of increasing NPS and frauds, the twin balance sheet problem has grown immensely. Comment on the issue, analyze the potential of the insolvency, ठीक है, and bankruptcy code to the game changer for the Indian economic health and long term growth, जो कि ग्रोथ के लिए. 12 number questions, public sector enterprises formed the backbone of the industrial development after the independence, but with the changing times their role has also the change. Discuss. 13 number questions, for a developing country like India, the sectoral allocation of the scarce resources is a critical factor determine pace and quality of the development. 14 number questions highlight the importance of the MSME sector in India's economy. Also identify the challenges, suggest some policy recommendations to ensure their sustenance and competitive growth. 15 number questions in the inclusive development index of the World Economic Forum, India stands very low. Discuss briefly the issues associated with living standard, environmental sustainability and protection of the future generation. So number questions under employment rather than unemployment is the key problem facing India today. Elaborate. So the number questions in here stagnant tax to GDP ratio for the country since decades reflects not only non-fruitus of the effort to increase it but also underlying structure जो कि structural issues with the tax regime. 18 number questions the need to the overall the current जो कि budget making process can be gauged from the fact that if it neither undertakes broad based consultations. 19 number questions adhering the to the fiscal discipline is considered as a hallmark of the sound financial management by the government. Elaborate. 20 number questions the role of international trade is the achieving a quicker pace of the economic development is well recognized. What are the benefits of international trade for the developing countries like India? So that's all. Thank you.